I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on the Ally Online app, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Open the Ally app. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shrug.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab and select the account with the charge you want to dispute. Then, find the Transactions section to review your recent activity. Step 3. Select the charge. Scroll through your transactions to locate the specific charge you wish to dispute. Tap on it to view more details, including the date and amount. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for the Dispute Charge option on the Charge Details page. Follow the prompts to provide the reason for your dispute and any supporting information. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After filling out the necessary information, submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your dispute is being processed. Remember, if you don't see the dispute option, it might be due to the charge being too old or not eligible for dispute. Good luck, and I hope you get your issue resolved soon.